Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price forecast. This is Thomas with you again, guys. I'm sorry about the after European market close video. I haven't put it because today it's been a very special day for me because I went to watch football because as majority of you know, my mom, she's Moroccan and my father is a Spanish. So my father and my mom countries, they've been playing against each other. So I went to watch it. I've been supporting both of them, but Morocco, they made it that out of the control. So now it's going back to the topic, guys. As you see in here, that the daily candle is finished here, guys. And it gave us here the green candle here. And that's what me have been telling you yesterday. That one here is Monday candle. And that one here is Tuesday candle, guys. Now what the Bitcoin is going to do, I think it's going to go higher, guys. Remember my word. Why me I'm thinking it's going to go higher? Because that one, as a confirmation, the market, it's still bulls in it, guys. But us here, we still sideways here. We haven't break that level. So, and even the volume down is not that big. And here also in the daily, also we give you the analysis before. We told you everything about it. We told you we got here two levels, that one and that one. And I told you there is no entry yet. I told you always if it's breaking up here or down here. So till now it hasn't breaking no up, no down. And I told you also we just stay sideways here, guys. And that's what it's looking. By the way, Yes, you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, we put in for you every day two videos. One after European market close. We analyze for you the stock market and the Bitcoin. And one after the daily candle finished of the Bitcoin. They will analyze for you the chart of the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down. It's telling you, hey, mister, click at me. You click at it. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. For picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, that the economical data for tomorrow. As you see it, we don't got something special here. We got only that one crude oil inventory of USA. Then we got the GDP of Japan. That one if you are a forex trader. But if you are a crypto or a stock trader, those things, they don't mean nothing to you. And here we got our table. That one also we follow it every day, guys. That one, what it's showing here, it's showing all the US stocks, they are red, guys, as you see them. Even the Nasdaq is red. Everything is red. So that's something very bad, guys. Plus here, guys, our friend, that one also we see it every day, is the VIX. What it's showing to us is getting above 22, guys. It go above 20. Now we are 22.17. That's something very bad, guys, and I'll tell it to you why the scarcity is go back now to the market, because the unemployment rate of the USA. The unemployment rate of USA would done all that, guys. Why that scarcity came back to the market? Because now it's likelihood the Fed, they are not going to pivot yet. I tell it to you before, I explained all those things to you, but for people that just came now, what did I said me before? What did I tell you before, guys? The Fed, they want the unemployment rate to reach to 4 or 5%. How much is it this month? It's 3.7. It doesn't move. It stays how it used to be in the last month. And what it's showing, the ISM, guys. The ISM, it's showing the economical manufacturing of USA did win well. What that meant? That it meant the companies, they are going to give new jobs to the people. So that unemployment rate is going to fall down below than that. So that's why the Fed, maybe they are going to increase interest rate by this month by 0.75, not 0.50, guys. But the news which is coming from inside, guys. By the way, the interest rate, guys, I think is it the next week. So let's wait in what's going to happen. And that Fed, guys, if you want always to know where is the bottom, always follow the Fed, guys. When the pivot it's happening, guys, because the Fed, it will not always increase interest rate. Is going to come that pivot now, and you need to follow it very well. Now every month, how much is it the interest rate? The Fed is being increased by 0.75. Yes or no? If the Fed increase 0.50, that is a pivot, guys. But next month, they are going to increase it only by 0.25. There can be an increase in interest rate forever, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? So also we are waiting that one. And that way you see here, the VIX is going up because people now, they are scared from the Fed not to increase it by 0.50. Maybe they are going to increase it by 0.75. So let's wait in next week what's going to happen. It's going back now to the 4 hours to see what is it there, what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter from here. Over here, I told you protect yourself. Same thing now happening. And what did I told you here is going to happen? Here, I told you over here, you got a flag. Yes or no? I tell it to you, it's going to happen like how it happened here. You see it or no? That drop here, that the drop of Monday. And now also we are Tuesday, guys. Look at that. You see that drop here? That one is the same like that one. It falling down the same thing, guys. After that, what's happening here? It went up. Now the same thing I think is going to happen here. But here we need to make a close eye at that level, guys. That flag we got here, we need to make a very, 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 very close eye at it if we are going to break here. If we break here, guys, we are going to go more higher. Take profit for that one. Where is it? It just came and you do it like that, guys. That line here, you bring it and you put it the place where it's going to break. Everything is too clear, guys. Now what should we do? Nothing. We just need to wait in. And I give you all the scenarios. I show you before you got here a hidden divergence. I show you everything. And for us to enter short, what did I told you, guys? I tell you like that. You got here a channel. I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short. Did it break? No. Look at it in front of you. Also, we still inside that channel, guys. So there is no enter long, there is no enter short yet. Also, we still sideways here, guys. Look at it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, it came, it touch here the trend line, and now here it's showing it's going out. Yes or no? Now I think maybe from here is going to go back upward, guys. Let's wait in what is going to give us here, and all the possibilities is still there, guys. Maybe from here is going to fall down. So till now we need to wait in what's going to happen. But the good news here, us here, we are in the place where is the bulls, they controlling, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, we are here at the overbought area that you need to enter short. But should you enter short now? No, my friend. Look at the price action. That the price action me I told you. You got here a channel like that. Let's break it down. No. So there is no entry yet. You need to wait in. Because as I tell it to you before, that one is just an oscillator. It might from here is going to go back till above. And that one staying here at the overbought area. Also, we're basing our trading about price action, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, what did I told you here? The last video, you can find it still in the channel. I told you got here a triangle. Where did it break? It's break here. Yes or no? Now look where you are. You are in profit, guys. What shall we do? Now, it's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, is going up to the overbought area. As you see it. Now, what shall we do? We wait till it's going to enter to the overbought area. That's the right time for us to take profit, guys. And look at that flag or that channel, may I tell you, in the 4 hours, guys. Look at it here. You see it or no? It's very, very, very clear. So maybe that one will go up till here, guys. That enter, us we enter from here. Maybe it's going to go back up till here. That way, us we told you when you used to be here at the oversold area. And we used to have here a divergence. Look at it here. And look here. We tell you that the price action we have here. When it's breaking here, I told you to enter long. In the last video you found it. Go back to the last video before all that or all today it came. Look where we are now. And it's going to go back more up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And please support us, guys. Please support us. Smashing the like button, helping us. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. So, guys, that's it for that video. See you tomorrow after European market close. Bye for now, guys.